Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CRF230F. This is a full-size trail bike, air-cooled 4-stroke. It's got electric start. Fantastic condition, only about 5 hours on this gorgeous CRF230F. Save big money over the price of a new one, just $39.99. Come by, make your dirt bike dreams come true. This bike's perfect for a teenager, youth, or a lady who doesn't want a super heavy bike. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.